We need to thank our many sponsors. This couldn't really happen without the help of a lot of people. First of all, our Junior Academy, the Center for STEM Excellence here at Morehead State University, as well as Kentucky State University. Huge help for getting this annual meeting on, and very successful. There's been so much networking, there's been so much isn't it great to be back in person? So I know we're very happy about that. So our platinum sponsor, ACRC Michelin. Our gold sponsors, Murray State Jones College of Science, Engineering, and Technology, and ECM Biosciences. Our in-kind sponsor, the Kentucky Science Center, and our field trip partners, the Geological Society of Kentucky and the Kentucky Paleontological Society. A super big thank you to Morehead State for hosting, and thank you to our local arrangements team, especially Tanya Jones, Beth Thomas, Kevin Atkins, Melissa Mefford, Jen O'Keefe, and our fantastic partners at the Center for STEM Excellence. Jen Carter, Kristen Beagle, Brenda Porter, Ryan Arney, Karen Cornett, and all the amazing volunteers helping out for this weekend. Melanie Stambaugh is our program coordinator and Junior Academy director. And a whole lot of this very successful meeting wouldn't have happened without her. Thank you very much, Melanie. I'd also like to go ahead and thank the KAS board members. I don't think I'm supposed to read everybody out, but we have a lot of board members here, probably some still filtering in. And if you are a board member on KAS, I'd like you to go ahead and stand up, be applauded. Have a few, all right, okay, excellent. Everybody's here. And a very special thank you to our executive director, Amanda Fuller, who I believe at the moment is batting down the hatches over in ADUC, so we'll be a minute late. But she's making sure these meetings have run smoothly and successfully year after year after year.